welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to be showing you guys how you could achieve this super simple everyday makeup look right here in under 5 minutes. And to create this look I used products from Ceylon. You guys can go ahead and check them out. The main product I want to talk about in this video is Ceylon's latest addition, their Sandal Rose Beauty Balm, which is basically a BB cream. I know a lot of you guys prefer using BB creams as opposed to using foundations, especially in Sri Lanka, so this product is great for that if you don't want to use foundations but you still want a really flawless canvas. This product also has SPF 30 and also UVA and UVB protection, so that is really good. This is what the product looks like, and as usual, Ceylon products, the packaging is beautifully done. So if you guys want to know how you could achieve this look and also how to use this beauty balm and kind of make it suit your skin tone better, then please keep on watching. So for my base I am using this Ceylon Sandal Rose Beauty Balm, and this is in the shade medium. I am gonna dot this product all over my face, and then I'm gonna be using my fingers and I'm gonna be rubbing it in circular motions like so. And I know the color looks extremely light on me right now, but we're gonna make it work. I'm gonna show you guys how you could make it work, how you could make it match your skin tone a lot better later on in this video, so keep on watching. What I really love about this product is that it's not oily at all and it sets immediately on its own, which is really good, especially for our Sri Lankan weather. This will last really well. Next, I'm gonna go and use some concealer. This is the Ceylon Mineral Color Supplement. I'm gonna use a brush and I'm just gonna be applying this directly in my under eye area. If you want to use this elsewhere, you can, but I just need some highlight and some concealer in my under eye area. So I used a brush to apply it, and then I'm gonna go in with my fingers and I'm gonna blend it like so. This product also sets on its own, which is really great. It's very easy to blend, and after a little bit it will set on its own. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Ceylon face powder, and I'm gonna be using the sponge that comes with the product to apply the product in my under eye area, and then I'm gonna be using a big fluffy brush to use the product everywhere else. Next, I'm going to use some bronzer. This is totally optional, but I personally really love bronzer, so I'm just going to use some bronzer all over my face. Next, I'm going to go in with the Ceylon blush on. This is a beautiful color. There's a few shades available. You guys can go and check it out. You can test out the colors and see for yourself. I'm just going to use a brush and apply this product. I personally like to use blush all over my face. Whatever product is remaining, I like to use it all over my face. It gives you a really nice sun-kissed look. Try it out and see how it looks. Also, I'm going to use blush as an eyeshadow. So blush is a product that you could use in so many different ways. So next, I just applied some mascara, and moving on to lips, I like to line my lips, and then I'm going to be applying a matte lipstick. I didn't love the color so much, so again, I went in with the blush, the Ceylon blush, and applied it on top of the lipstick. If you guys haven't tried out that trick, please do try it and let me know how you like it. It just gives you a really nice velvet lip, and also it adds a nice color. So that is it. That's all you need to achieve this very simple everyday makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.